There's a secret psychology of money. Most people don't know about it. That's why most people never become financially successful.
And the Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation JDIC, as part of its 15th anniversary, is doing its part to promote this secret so that persons can make money. JDIC partnered with a number of financial institutions like the Bank of Jamaica BOJ, the Financial Services Commission FSC, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE to host a financial market symposium and fair in downtown Kingston. The aim? To educate the public on all things financial. The JDIC helps to protect depositors. Say for instance, I am a member of Bank X and that bank is unable to make payments because it fails. Once that bank is covered under the Deposit Insurance Fund, I will be able to receive up to $600,000.
The Deposit Insurance Fund is constituted by some $9.1 billion, ensuring that there is recourse in the event of crisis, which we will do our utmost to avoid.
Financial institutions like commercial banks, trust companies, merchant banks, and building societies are covered under the fund.
At this point, its coverage extends to almost 100% of deposit accounts in the country and is consistent with the international standards requiring coverage of the majority of retail depositors, upwards of 90 to 95%. Indeed, we exceed those international targets.
As part of its corporate responsibility, the JDIC hosted a symposium and fair in 2013 to educate the average person about the financial market. The events were staged over a 3-day period at the BOJ Auditorium and the St. William Grant Park. The theme? Promoting financial inclusion through public education and awareness,
which translates to economic inclusion, economic growth, and social cohesion. Each of these elements being an element of financial system confidence and stability.
Discussions were focused on different investment options, financing one's business, credit bureaus, and a host of other business-related topics. The highlight of the event was the financial fair at the St. William Grant Park.
This is a very worthwhile activity. Certainly anything that seeks to make our people more empowered to take charge of their own affairs is something that we support.
Over 70 booths decorated the park, showcasing information on the financial sector, our culture and heritage, as well as the services offered by government institutions.
This is about bringing persons into the formal financial system so that they can understand the products of the system, the regulations, how the system is regulated, why it's regulated the way it's regulated, and so that persons can be able to not only see the opportunities in investment and their finances, but also to understand the risks.
For years, we've been advocating financial literacy and trying to get the message out to Jamaicans that they need to understand their finances so they can make their money, make better money for themselves.
And one way to make better money, as outlined by Mr. Levy, is by trading on the stock market. That process is facilitated by stockbrokers who act on behalf of clients to buy a part of or sell their share of a company.
We are passionate about getting Jamaicans from all walks of life involved in investing, because you can actually start investing with small sums of money. $20,000, $30,000, you can start buying stock and making good money, and it's one of the best investments, if not the best investment out there.
We decided to partner with JDIC in an effort to edify the public, to let them know more about our company's products, and to help persons in small business to grow their business by accessing our finances.
Now, most members of the public were enthused about the wealth of information they received at the fair.
I have some pamphlet that I got, so I am going to read it and also pass it on that others can read it too and get interested in what's going on.
I hear about the different credit unions and so forth, and I want to join a credit union. Basically to save and, save while saving a bill on what you're saving on.
I'd like to join one of the bank partners and sort out some things.
The Jamaica Deposit Insurance Corporation, protecting deposits for you and me. It's also promoting financial literacy for the average Jamaican, which will translate to economic development and prosperity.